kids, welcome to Kit Kat Kids. And now let's learn A, B, C together.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for
tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for
V
violin.
for violin.
V for violin.
W for
W
wow.
for
W
whale.
for wall.
X for
X
x-ray.
for
X
X-ray.
for X-ray.
Y for
Y
yak.
for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for
Z
zebra.
for zebra.
Z for zebra.